The BlackRock Ultra Short-Term Bond ETF, ICSH, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that aims to provide investors with a low-cost and efficient way to gain exposure to the ultra-short-term bond market. The fund is managed by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers with over $9 trillion in assets under management. The fund seeks to track the performance of the Bloomberg Barclays US 1 to 3 Month Treasury Bill Index, which is a market value-weighted index that measures the performance of U.S. Treasury bills with maturities of 1 to 3 months. The fund invests in a diversified portfolio of U.S. Treasury bills and other U.S. government securities that have similar characteristics to those in the index. One of the key benefits of investing in ICSH is its low cost. The fund has an expense ratio of just 0.08%, which is significantly lower than the average expense ratio for actively managed bond funds. This makes it an attractive option for investors who are looking for a cost-effective way to gain exposure to the ultra-short-term bond market. Another benefit of ICSH is its liquidity. As an ETF, the fund can be easily bought and sold on the stock exchange, making it a convenient investment option for investors of all sizes. Additionally, the fund's underlying assets are highly liquid, which means that it can be easily valued and is less likely to experience price volatility. The fund is also relatively low risk, as it invests in short-term government securities. These securities are considered to be among the safest investments available and are considered to have very low credit risk. As a result, ICSH can be a suitable option for investors who are looking for a low-risk investment with a relatively stable return. However, it's important to note that while ICSH can be a suitable option for some investors, it may not be the best choice for others. For example, investors looking for higher returns may want to consider other bond funds that invest in longer-term securities. Additionally, ICSH may not be suitable for investors who are looking for a high degree of income, as the fund's yield is relatively low due to its short-term focus. In conclusion, the BlackRock Ultra Short-Term Bond ETF, ICSH, is a low-cost, liquid and low-risk ETF that aims to provide investors with exposure to the ultra-short-term bond market. The fund is managed by BlackRock and its underlying assets are U.S. Treasury bills and other similar U.S. government securities. It can be a suitable option for investors looking for a cost-effective, low-risk investment with a relatively stable return, but it may not be the best choice for those looking for higher returns or high income.